If your Epic Games account is pending deletion, the good news is that you may still be able to reactivate it, but you have to act fast. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reactivate an Epic Games account before the deletion process is finalized. This is especially useful if you changed your mind, logged out by mistake, or realized you still need access to your games, purchases, or Epic Games services. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and account recovery guides. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to epicgames.com/account. Make sure you're signing in with the exact Epic Games account that was set for deletion. If you have multiple email addresses or gaming accounts, double-check that you're using the correct one before you continue. Once you're logged in, look for the account deletion notice or the option related to reactivation. Epic Games only allows reactivation within 14 days of the deletion request, so timing is very important here. If you are still inside that 14-day window, you should see a button that says Reactivate Account. Go ahead and click that button. After you click it, follow any confirmation prompts that appear on the screen. Epic Games may ask you to verify your identity or confirm that you want to keep the account active. Complete those steps carefully and wait for the confirmation that your account has been restored. Once reactivated, your account should no longer be scheduled for deletion and you can continue using Epic Games as normal. After that, it's a good idea to check your account details, email address, and security settings to make sure everything is up to date. If you are trying to recover access to Fortnite, the Epic Games Store, or any purchases tied to your account, you should now be able to log back in and use them again. If the Reactivate Account button does not appear, that usually means the 14-day window has passed, and the deletion request may already be in progress or finalized. In that case, you may need to contact Epic Games support for help, but there is no guarantee the account can be restored. So the key takeaway is simple. Log in at epicgames.com/account as soon as possible, and if you are within 14 days of the deletion request, click Reactivate Account right away. That's the fastest way to bring your Epic Games account back before it's permanently deleted. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone else who may need to reactivate their Epic Games account.